guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Alexia Leanne. So today we'll be doing a different type of video. It's an unboxing video of something that I finally got my hands on. I haven't done anything like this before. Got it about a week ago in the mail. Had to wait so I can do a video on it. So we're going to unbox this video together. You probably already know what it is since it's already in the title. But I just wanted to share with my YouTube family what I got. So, this is the lovely packaging Louis Vuitton sent with the receipt it's in. One thing about Louis Vuitton, they really go all out with their packaging. So this comes with, obviously, the receipt, tracking label, and usually the little things that they put aside in the box. So I know that you guys have been waiting on this. Let's see what I have. Now, one thing about Louis Vuitton, they're supposed to come with the ribbon, so I'm so glad that I got the ribbon. As you can see, it has not been opened because, what did I just say? Waiting on y'all to open it. Alright y'all, so let's go ahead and open it and see what I got. It's like, I've been dying to go ahead and open it, but I was like, oh, I gotta wait. So it was so hard to wait, and I was like, I want to make sure this is the right thing before I get on this and show them, but let's just see what it is. So here we go. This is what it comes in. It comes in the dust bag. All Louis Vuitton pieces come in this, and I was just adding this like something else to my collection because I thought I deserved it. Okay guys, this is what it's looking like. As you can see, this is the Pochette Accessoire. This is the bag that I've been really looking for. It took me 2 days to get it. Usually this is a very hard bag to find, and I got my hands on it. It is made in France, so I'm so glad that I got my bag made there. I think they also made in the US and Spain too, but so glad I got it from there. It comes with these little cards. All Louis Vuitton products come with that. It also comes with this strap that I will put on. But look at this bag, guys. This is in the monogram with the gold hardware. I think maybe y'all can see that it says France. And the stitching, everything is so beautiful. Look at that. It has like a little pocket right here as well. So you can put so much in this bag. I plan on using it more like casual, my everyday bag, because I feel like we all need those kind of bags. You can also, since it's a detachable strap, you can put like another strap on here. So I was going to buy a gold strap as well, so I can maybe wear it as a crossbody bag or like a shoulder bag as well. So y'all, I'm just so ecstatic that I got my hands on this bag. Like, this bag is so beautiful. So, let me put the strap on and then I'll show you guys what it looks like. Okay guys, so I got it all put together now. The strap, it actually loops through to connect it. So you put it like on right here on this little hardware right here. Well, I'm out of the camera. You put it right here and then you loop it and then you connect it right here. But you can also, if you want it the other way, you can do that as well. So if you want it vice versa. So this is how the bag looks. I'm about 5'3" in height. So let me put that on to kind of show you guys. So this is what kind of looks like. Kind of hangs right like my abdomen area, but love this. Y'all, I'm just like really surprised that I got this bag. I'm surprised how it looks. The stitching, everything is just beautiful. Really don't know what else much more to say about it, but I know that, you know, a lot of people that they can wear different things with it. They can put so much in this bag. I have a wallet that I have that I'll be showing you guys in another video. And like I said, you can put so much into this bag. So let me tell you how I got my hands on this bag. I was actually getting a gift on there, and I probably got it the day before, and they didn't have it in stock, so I was like, okay, that's fine, whatever. They said it's very hard to get this bag in stock, so you can either be put on a wait list, but it takes a long time to be put on for that. So I was like, okay. So then the next day I was like, a Louis Vuitton or a gift will be great from this, so let's do that. So I got a gift, and then I was just like, well, out of curiosity, do y'all have another item? She's like, I'll look it up for you. So, you know, they always ask for the item number. And then she's like, oh, the pochette accessoire. She's like, well, this is very popular, but hold on, let me see what I can get. So anyways, a couple minutes later, she's like, she has located one for me. She went ahead and put it in my cart. She said, I need to go ahead and check it out now because it sells out. And that was it, just from there. One thing about Louis Vuitton, it always goes through like 3 different steps before it's like actually shipped to you. First is like product availability, and they can stay in there for like 3 to 4 days or whatever. I was researching, I was like I can't believe I really got this bag like that. So some people were saying that their things get canceled when it's like that, but then it eventually went to the order and preparation. So then I knew that I was going to get it and like ship the next day. Then I got the bag like within 2 days. So if you really want this bag, I know it's so hard to get, but just keep trying. Eventually, you will get it. But like I said, you guys, this bag is my new favorite. This is my new baby. Can't wait to start using it. Alright guys, so that pretty much wraps up this video on my Louis Vuitton unboxing of my pochette accessoire. I hope you enjoyed the content that I have given you. Again, this little beauty, it's a must. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Comment, let me know what you think, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.